I file a workers' compensation claim in South Carolina? My name is Kenneth Berger. I practice law here in Columbia, South Carolina, and I made this video to answer that question for you. Workers' comp is designed to provide benefits for people who were injured in the course and scope of their employment. In other words, if you got hurt at work, even if the accident was your fault, you can still file a workers' compensation claim. The first thing you got to do is to let your employer know you got hurt. You've only got 90 days to put your employer on notice, so it's essential that you tell them about the incident as soon as possible. The employer is then supposed to fill out some forms and send them on to their insurance company, and those forms ultimately get sent to the Workers' Compensation Commission. If you've got doubts that your employer is filing the workers' comp claim on your behalf, you can actually contact the Workers' Compensation Commission directly. Their number's in the phone book and is of course also available online. The next thing, and what I'd certainly do, at least for a consultation, is to contact a lawyer. Workers' comp can be a confusing process. The language is unfamiliar, and most folks we represent tell us it's their first experience with the workers' compensation system. So rather than go through it blindly, much of the time speaking with a lawyer can provide a lot of guidance, a lot of answers, and remove some of the fear and uncertainty from the process. Again, there are a few ways to file a workers' comp claim. First is letting your employer know and having them file the claim. The second is contacting the Workers' Comp Commission directly. And the third is getting in touch with a lawyer and having the lawyer assist you not only in filing the claim, but guiding you through the process. We handle these kinds of cases every day, and we'd certainly be glad to help you as well. If you'd like a free consultation or free copies of my books, you can request them right here on the website. No matter what you choose or how you go about contacting us, know that I look forward to speaking with you and doing everything I possibly can to help you as you move forward with your workers' compensation claim.